We have a fairly new committee at TSTA, and I would like to mention that the TSTA has done a splendid job in organizing a 10 lakh AITM men and women national ranking tournament last month. This was the biggest national ranking tournament in India post-COVID. So huge round of applause to the association. So I'd like to share with you a little bit more about Tennis Outlet and the experience center that we have over here. Tennis Outlet is an e-commerce portal where you can buy tennis rackets. It's not just that, the experience center is one of a kind. This is for the first time in India that we've launched an experience center where players, even before they buy their rackets, you have an opportunity to come and try out the products over here at our beautifully laid tennis court. Even this tennis court, I'm proud to inform that it is completely made in India. All the products that has been used in this tennis court is made in India under the branding of Midcourt, and it is an exact replica of the Australian Open tennis court. So we're very proud to inform you the same. So this is our flagship tennis court. And also I would like to inform one thing, that a recent study has been conducted. This study was done over 20 years, and there were about 8,000 participants in this study. And the main reason of this study was to find out what kind of sports will increase your lifespan. And the result of the study was that racket sports increase your lifespan for over 10 years. So I'm really happy that this is the sport that I've chosen and you all are passionate about it. And so we're going to be alive for a very long time. So the parents that who are not playing tennis, I would urge you to try out the sport. If not for anything, you know for a fact that you will be alive for a long time. So last but not least, I would also like to introduce Afroz Khan, who is also the co-founder of Tennis Outlet and my partner. And just Afroz, please come in. Please join me on stage. He's also the CEO and absolute backbone of the e-commerce portal. And we will shortly have the unveiling of the Tennis Outlet Experience Center on the tennis court. I request all the guests to please join us on court, after which we will actually have an exhibition match along with CBR, sir. If I would request you to join me on court, sir, for the opening, for the unveiling ceremony.
Will you again come back to speak?
No, sir. We will be playing tennis after that.
If you want us to say nothing.
సార్ మీ ర్యాకెట్ కాళ్ళు ఉందా లేదా ఇక్కడనే మీరే డెమోనా అట్లా ఉంది ర్యాకెట్ ఉందా ర్యాకెట్
I request all the players to come on the court, please. All the players, please join us on court. All the players, please join us on court. Shivan. Hi, Shivan. Hi, Shivan. Come in. Come.
Then we go back home.
Yeah. Come here.
Afterwards, we can shoot that.
After tennis, we go back home. Till tennis, here we are.
Sir, we are unveiling the banner, sir. Okay. Raman, sir. Ashok, sir. Please. Banner, sir. Please.
But can we cheer and clap when they're unveiling it? Okay, thank you.
Louder, louder. I need energy.
Let's go.
Yes, sir, please, sir.
Louder.
I now request Shri Srijanand sir to speak a few words on this occasion.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
And of course, some parents are sitting there. And of course, Ashok, Kumar, Raman. We call him Philu. And Nagaraj, Vishnu, and Afroz. Congratulations to Afroz and Vishnu for coming up with this very innovative idea. It's something I've never heard about, and when they came and explained to me the entire thing, I said, "Are you sure of the economics of this? Will it work in India?" And they said, "Yes, definitely it will work." I appreciate them for taking the initiative and coming up, because that is how business actually happens. Those who dare to dream and try only will succeed. So remember that. And all of you tennis players, you must remember this too. You must dare to dream, and then only you will be able to go that far. Don't set limits for yourself. You must dream to win the major championships, train hard and work very hard. About this concept, having experience center, giving an opportunity. Usually when we go to buy something, a tennis racket or anything, we just have a look at it and hope that it works for us. And then we go home, then we go to the tennis court, then we start playing. Suddenly we feel, weight is too hard, too much, weight is too less, it is too light. And then it is too late, you can't return the racket. Then you will be searching for buyers, second hand. Will you take this, will you take that? I've also gone through the same thing. Finally I settled on Babylon after changing 3-4 rackets. But now Vishnu and Afroz have given a facility where you can come, test it out, whatever suits you, you can buy that. That's a wonderful business idea.
Thank you.
I appreciate you for that, and I'm sure it's going to really catch the imagination of all the tennis players in Hyderabad, young and old. There will be a huge rush here soon. Just like when Lakeview Academy was started here several years ago, even those who were involved in that, they wondered who will come and play tennis so far in such a remote area. But this is the area which is growing now, and definitely the new Hyderabad is expanding this side. So definitely, I'm sure Tennis Outlet will be a great success, and whatever help it can be extended from my side, I'm ready to do that. Because Vishnu himself is such a great tennis player, and has taken India to, brought name to the country, and is still active with the game. So I congratulate him for coming forth with this idea. I congratulate Afroz, who is a regular tennis player in all the tournaments which take place here. So we keep playing, and I appreciate all the well-wishers who have come here today to extend their greetings and also their wishes to this duo of Vishnu and Afroz. And I request all of them to extend all their support in whatever manner they can do. Also the TSTA, all the office bearers are here. This is a very novel concept, and I request you also to extend all the support to the Afroz and Vishnu. Thank you for inviting me. I love to be here, and I love to play tennis, and love to be on this occasion. Thank you so much.
I request all the players to come down for a picture, please. All the players can kneel down over here.
Sidhu.
All in one line, straight line. Get closer.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.